Hello, Virgo. Welcome to your reading for April 20th through the 30th. Your Stone People card is Turtle Medicine. Slow and steady wins the race. Your spirit animal is the deer, which is all about being gentle with yourself and others. Your sign and symbol card is the feather, healing power and receiving messages. We're going to do one of these cards again. Stay in the present moment. Keep your attention on today and stay in the present moment. This is the beginning of a new understanding, a new dream. Okay, so your first stone is leopard skin jasper, self-healing, connects with your spirit animal, harmony with nature, stimulates imagination, and reduces anxiety. We have the Moon Lodge and retreat. It's time to take care of yourself. Slow down, be gentle, and take care of yourself. Sister Moon says it's a time for healing. The great teacher, learn from spiritual experiences. And the elephant spirit, learn from the past. So while you're healing, you're going to be learning. Both of those are about learning. Standing people, roots and giving. That is the trees, the standing people. Sister Moon says it's time to release negativity. The Knight says be brave and honest with yourself. And look here, we have another deer. Be gentle with yourself. That's what's going to bring some healing. Okay, and this stone was tree agate. Inner peace, calms nerves, clears blockages, connects with nature, and helps you focus on the oneness of all things. Okay, and we have, power place, earth connection and empowerment. So really spending time in nature, and you have the standing people here as well. So spending time with the trees and in nature is going to bring you healing. Sister Moon says the end of a tough cycle approaches. Oh, and you got Earth Guardian too. Stay rooted and grounded. That has to do with the trees and spending time in nature. And at the very end, you got Bee Spirit. Sweet results await. Your stone was Orthochorus. It stimulates the mind, reduces tiredness and depression, is very good for grounding, and it helps you to overcome past trauma. It's the Follow Your Happiness stone. Okay, and today we're going to draw another stone person. Look at how many we have. Wow. Okay, let's go with this one. Soda Light. Oh, very interesting. That's about seeking the truth. Emotional balance. Releases fears, promotes self-esteem, and makes ideas into reality. So very interesting. Working on those things as you're healing. Remember to be gentle. To learn from your past experiences. To spend time in nature, especially with trees. That is what will bring you healing. Okay, and instead of a quote, I have a wish for you today. As you write your own stories out in the world, I hope each chapter makes you happier than the one before. I hope that when things get complicated or challenging, you will remember how strong and talented you are and know that you have what it takes to handle anything that comes along. And I hope that you'll always, always feel the deep love that is with you today and always. Peace, love, and light. Until next time.